Well, if you don't have all sun on your injectors, then you ain't no cowboy. That's all I got.
Exactly. So this old girl's gonna wake up and run a lot better, that's for sure.
Yeah, injectors. I knew that that's what those were when you sent me pictures, because I know that injectors look like that, because I'm like, I know a lot about vehicles. Like, I didn't have to ask my mechanic buddy.
Yeah, we built you a custom set of one-offs though, so this thing's gonna run super good and be really clean for you.
Yes, sir. No, I'm super pumped. I appreciate you guys doing that, and I cannot wait to get behind the wheel of this bad boy.